Katie.
Sam.
From K&S
I
Makeup.
always say it's so weird. Sam.
From K&S Makeup and All Around Beauty X. And our videos got deleted if you've already, probably everyone else already said that, but.
Yeah, it's really annoying.
Right
Whoever
after we got part.
Whoever you are, hacker, thanks a lot. This is our second time. How annoying is that?
And the tag this week is your 3 favorite scents, so we have obviously 6. So I'm going to start out with my favorite of all time, which is Viva La Juicy. And I just have this mini one with me because I'm at Sam's house and I want to bring like big stuff. But I love this. It's like heaven. Like, I can't describe it. It smells like heaven.
Okay, so my next one is also Viva La Juicy. I'm not a big perfume, like, scent wearer. Like, I love smelling them, but I don't really, like, I don't wear them. But one I do, like, really like is Viva La Juicy. We both have their logos.
And then next, I have Aquilina Pink Sugar, and this is like a huge bottle. It smells like cotton candy, but kind of musky.
Yeah, definitely cotton candy.
And it's really strong.
My next one is what I've been wearing every single day this month. I found out about it. And it's just Juicy Couture, like the first Viva La Juicy. These bottles are so obnoxious, but I still love them. And it just looks like that. And this is a very strong scent, a lot more, like, I feel like adult, like mature than Viva La Juicy. But I still like, because I like spray it far away and I spray it. I don't want to go like read Sephora or whatever and Juicy and ask them how that smells.
Okay, and my last one is Harajuku Lovers G.
I wish I had that.
And it's just like the mini one, and it smells so good. It smells like coconuts.
Okay, so my next one is...
And I love to wear this with the Bath & Body Works coconut lime thing.
So my next one is Vanilla Bean Noel. I love vanilla scents. Anything vanilla I really like, and if I would cheat and I have another one, I would put in the Shea Cashmere Fragrance Mist. I have it in like a body lotion. It's so good. That's from Bath & Body Works too. But this one is just like my like lover smell, even though I haven't used like anything of it.
You can get these from Juicy or Nordstrom
or
Sephora or Ulta. And
I
I don't know where you can get Pink Sugar from.
Sephora.
You can get it from Sephora. I don't know. My mom got it for me. And you can get G or any of the Harajuku Lovers at like Macy's.
And this is obviously Bath & Body Works. So yeah, and a candle that I really like, Katie, if you would just want to like say your candle. We're so messing this up. Chris.
Sam was just talking for no reason.
Christmas Cookies by Yankee Candle is like amazing. It was right here, so I just kind of like pulled it out. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Love always.
Katie.
Sam.